Hey everyone, it's me, Megs, and I am back with another personality unit. And I'm here to show you guys how versatile this Glueless unit is by BeautyForever Hair. Yes, that is Glueless, and this one is pretty good. So I'm here to show you guys how versatile it is, all the different styles that I'm able to achieve with this textured hair. This is my favorite textured hair, so let me get into what it is. Okay, onto my wig cap just for some extra blending because I don't want to be clockable. And I was very impressed with how snug this was. Okay, so I do have the adjustable elastic band in the wig. I do have the adjustable band at the nape hooked, and so it was able to lay beautifully. And I don't have to put any glue, y'all. That is the key to this because I am on a hair journey and I don't like using glue. If I don't have to use glue, I'm not going to. And you can see the lace really blended so well with my skin tone. And you know, I am of darker complexion, and sometimes lace has that odd looking flashback even on camera sometimes for me, and this one doesn't give me that. So I absolutely love also how this unit flat ironed. It's very smooth. It didn't take a lot of effort to flat iron it. In my opinion, Yaki straight textures look the best. Pin straight and a bust down kind of look like this in my opinion, and I do feel like Yaki straight textures, if you want to wear it straight, is the easiest texture to wear for low maintenance. You just flat iron it once and be done. And for me personally, I like Yaki textures better to wear pin straight like this because I don't sleep in my wigs, so I don't have to do a lot of maintenance. I take it off at night, put it on my wig head, and when I want to wear it in the morning, I pop it right back on. So I was able to do that with this wig because I've worn it a million times since filming this video, y'all, and this hair is actually good. That's why I really like wearing the wigs longer so I can really give a real authentic review for y'all. And this wig didn't tangle, it didn't bunch up at the nape when I wore it pin straight, and it lays really nice and flat. I love that it doesn't have that bulky look at the very top. It flat ironed very well, and it was easy to style. And I will say, you guys, when you have these wigs, make sure you always wash and condition it prior to wear. And I love that I was able to go glueless and that the wig fits nice and comfortable around the ears, and that is what is key for me with this wig. I'm like, I'm loving this because I don't have to do too much, and you know, it allows me to have a nice fitting wig that is comfortable, that doesn't give that Humpty Dumpty look. So imagine if I really were to braid my hair down like I'm supposed to, how even more flawless it would lay. So I really think this is a good sign for me. Like if I'm a lazy girl day and I don't feel like braiding my hair down, I still get the results that I'm looking for with this glueless unit. And I wore this unit out a few times and I always get so many compliments on this unit. It's just flowy, it moves, it's the perfect length at 20 inches, and I am 4'11", so 20 inches is the perfect length for me. But does this hair texture curl really well? I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. I think this unit curls okay. I think I prefer to wear this unit in the pin straight state, but I wanted to see how this looked curled. I think it looks absolutely beautiful curled, and I feel like the initial styling of this unit curled nicely. Yaki straight texture looks curled because I feel like it looks like African American texture hair. I will say that I think it looks very beautiful, but being honest, it doesn't really hold a tight kind of like body wave kind of curl, if you know what I mean. But I will say with the HD closure being the 5x5, you can kind of like, I'm going to explore later with this unit. But overall, so far, the texture of the hair is beautiful, but I will say you may have to flexi rod this one and let it flexi rod overnight to get your curls to last just a little bit longer. For example, curl the hair first, take your flexi rods or your rollers and let it, you know, hold the curl overnight, that way for a longer lasting curl. But overall, I did enjoy wearing this unit, and I'm still wearing the unit. I have the unit on right now and I love it. I have it worn in a more relaxed, curled, easy breezy look, like shown in this video, and it looks beautiful. I do enjoy it. So you guys, if you do have any questions, feel free to ask me, and all information about this unit will be down in the description below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video, and stick around to watch more of my videos here on YouTube.